In this video, we'll learn how crypto mass payouts work. For this tutorial, I'll be using a demo account. If you'd like to follow along, the link to the demo account is available in the description box below. Let's get started. Once you're on your Finassets dashboard, click on the Mass Payout tab. Here, you'll see that the withdrawal pop-up is divided into two sections, to address and mass crypto transfer. You can use either of these based on your needs. The to address option is for sending crypto to a single wallet address. The mass crypto transfer option lets you send crypto to multiple wallet addresses at the same time. Let's first look at the to address feature. Start by selecting your currency. Next, enter the wallet address where you want to send the crypto. You can also write a message about the transaction if needed. Now, enter the withdrawal amount. Then, choose your preferred fee level. After filling out the form, click on Withdraw. You'll be asked to complete two-step verification. Once that's done, boom! You can now see the transaction details, and your withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on to the Mass Crypto Transfer tab. Here, you'll again start by selecting your currency. Then, upload a file that contains the wallet addresses and tags. Just remember, the file must have a maximum of 100 rows and can be up to 1 megabyte in size. After uploading the file, select the fee level and click on Withdraw. As before, complete the two-step verification. And that's it. Your mass withdrawal request has now been submitted. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to follow us.